Ever walked outside at night and struggled to see your way? Maybe your garden, patio, or driveway looks too dark, and you worry about tripping or stepping on something unexpected. We all want a beautifully lit outdoor space, but traditional lights can be expensive to install and maintain. What if I told you there's an easy and cost-effective solution that works without wiring or high electricity bills? Outdoor lighting is more than just decoration. It's about safety, convenience, and enhancing your home's beauty. A well-lit pathway not only prevents accidents, but also keeps intruders away. Plus, it adds a warm and inviting touch to your outdoor space. But here's the problem: traditional wired lights require installation and increase your power bill. Battery-powered lights? They die out too quickly. That's why solar-powered lights are the best choice. They use energy from the sun, are easy to install, and work automatically. And when it comes to the best solar ground lights, the Solar Ground Lights Outdoor 30 LED 50-foot pathway lights stand out from the rest. These lights are designed to give you a brighter, longer-lasting glow while being completely eco-friendly. Want to know why they're a must-have for your home? Let's take a look at the key features. First, let's talk about brightness. Unlike regular solar lights, these come with 30 high-quality LEDs, ensuring a wider and brighter illumination. Your pathways, garden, and patio will never be in the dark again. Second, solar-powered efficiency means no extra electricity bills. These lights charge automatically during the day and turn on when it gets dark. You don't have to do a thing. Next, the 50-foot coverage makes it perfect for long driveways, decks, and patios. One pack is enough to light up a large area. And here's the best part: remote control convenience. You can adjust the brightness and turn the lights on or off without even stepping outside. No more manual switches. Last but not least, these lights are weatherproof and durable. With an IP65 waterproof rating, they can withstand rain, snow, and heat with ease. Once installed, they'll last through all seasons. With easy installation, smart solar charging, and a beautiful glow, these lights are a game changer for any outdoor space. No more struggling to see at night, just effortless, elegant lighting every evening. If you're looking for a bright, energy-efficient, and hassle-free lighting solution, the Solar Ground Lights Outdoor 30 LED 50-foot pathway lights are the perfect choice. Click the link in the description to grab yours now. Don't miss out on this simple yet powerful upgrade for your home. Light up your garden the smart way today.